Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. As you guys can see, I have millions of dollars in crypto, all made from launching meme coins specifically. I am not here to waste your time or to sell you a course. I'm here to show you why I started deving coins and how to create a meme coin with my strategy, all in this video for free. So let's get straight into it. Now here's exactly why deving meme coins is more profitable than actually buying these coins. And that's because most meme coins on chain, when it's launched, right, as you guys may know, it pumps and then it dumps, just like this chart right here. This right here is what happens to most meme coins, and honestly, there is nothing you can do about it, but the only thing that you can do is actually start creating them instead and stop trading them. You guys have to stop buying these coins blindly, hoping to make money, because you will just end up getting dumped on. Instead, you have to become the one who is creating these coins and making a shit ton of profit on all the buyers just by selling your supply. It costs nothing, you have nothing to lose, and that's why I love creating coins instead of buying them. In this video, I will be showing you how to create coins for yourself, all for free. I will even do a live launch to show you how it's done. And by the way, guys, even though I do make money from creating coins, it's all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. It's all for educational purposes only, and yeah, that's it. Cap! Now here's exactly where I make my meme coins to maximize the profits on each launch. I make my coins on a launchpad called CoinLaunch.io. It's CoinLaunch.io. By launching your coins here, your meme coins are going to go to Raydium immediately, reaching thousands of potential buyers, okay? Now, the Raydium Dex is 100 times better than Pump.Fun because most coins on Raydium actually gets buyers, but Pump.Fun though no one sees them and no one buys them. So to launch your coins on Raydium, you need to be using CoinLaunch.io. Now here's exactly how to launch a coin here. You can create your own coin from scratch, just like Pump.Fun. For example, you can make your own coins here, but it's the same thing here. If you have a name, symbol, and image, you can make your coin indeed. Or you can copy coins. I've made all my money from copying coins. It's the same exact thing as vamping. We are going to be copying one coin here back to Raydium, right? And the reason why we copy these coins is because they're all going viral. They're all gaining a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun, which means they already have good narratives and they're proven to get buyers. So we are just going to be copying one coin here back to Raydium to get buyers. Let me show you how. So let's stop yapping and let's make some money. First of all, connect your Phantom wallet and let's copy a coin. Go for anything. They're all good, right? They're all good narratives. Just go for one. It does not matter which market cap or which narrative. Just copy one. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy to Raydium. Ignore the block that will show up. Ignore this. This is normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here, just follow along. We're creating the pool like that. It can go to Raydium. Now for the supply, click on 90%, right? I do that for all my meme coins. For the amount of SOL to pay, or put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not losing this. This is how much you are buying in. Like that, you can make money too, right? You are not going to lose this. If you want it back, you can get it back. When you cash out at the end, you will get it back. So don't worry about it. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Just wait. Boom, click on refresh, and boom, now it's live. People are now able to buy your coin, right, and see your coin and everything. So let's go see the chart. I use Photon, right? You can go on any trading platform, it does not matter. And as you guys can see, it's already pumping. People are buying in. It's insane. People are exploding the coin up. If we come back to coinslaunch.io and we click on refresh, you guys can see that we're already up $300 in profits. People are buying our coin finally. This is exactly why I love creating coins. Look at this, it's already exploding. Now all you have to do is just wait. Wait for people to buy your coin, wait for your coin to go even higher. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and as you guys can see we're up a lot. Let's cash out before it goes down. Come back to Coins Launch, click on refresh, and as you guys can see we're up 2.7k in profits. By the way, this is real money. You guys will see later on. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully cashed out. Boom, we just liquidated, and as you guys can see in my Phantom wallet, boom, $2.7 thousand in my Phantom wallet for educational purposes only. CoinsLaunch.io will be linked down below, guys. Just like and subscribe, and just launch coins over and over again. It's the best launch pad, bro. Trust me. Peace out.